Proteins are important molecules made of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. They form into various shapes and are crucial for many cell processes. The sequence of amino acids in proteins comes from DNA and includes 20 standard types. Proteins can be enzymes, structural components, or play roles in cell signaling and immune responses. They are synthesized in cells, starting in the nucleus in eukaryotes and in the cytoplasm in prokaryotes. Proteins are essential for growth, repair, and maintaining body functions. They are found in foods like milk, eggs, meat, and beans. The structure and function of a protein depend on the amino acid sequence, shape, and subunits. Mutations in proteins can cause diseases like cancer. Proteins have varying lifespans and are eventually recycled by cells. Humans need 9 essential amino acids from their diet, as the body cannot produce them. Foods like meat, soy products, and combinations of plant foods provide these essential amino acids. Proteins were first described by Gerardus Johannes Mulder and named by Jöns Jacob Berzelius.